Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials. Check Wi-Fi strength and move the Firestick or router closer if signal is weak. Once done, restart the device from settings. This clears temporary glitches. You should also close apps running in the background and free at least 500 MB of storage. That prevents buffering caused by cache limits and CPU load. These steps address the most common causes immediately, so you get a clean baseline before deeper fixes. Now you move into more detailed changes. Switch the Firestick to your 5 GHz Wi-Fi network when possible, because it reduces interference and boosts throughput. Then, in the streaming app, lower the video quality to 720p or set it to automatic to test whether bitrate was the issue. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it briefly. VPNs add latency and can cause rebuffering. After each change, run a short 2-5-minute playback to observe improvements. Finish by updating the Fire OS and all streaming apps. Software fixes often resolve codec and buffering problems. If updates fail, back up account details and consider a factory reset only as a last resort because it wipes settings. If buffering continues, isolate the network. Create a mobile hotspot and connect the Firestick to it. If playback improves, contact your ISP about throughput or router settings. If it does not, you likely have a device or app issue that requires support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.